Welcome to my crib. Myself Ruben here. And this is my crib. Here you can see that this crib, but this whole story starts with Mary got a message from the angel Gabriel that she will bear a son and she should name him Jesus, who is the Son of God. And here you can see Joseph, who was a lawful and good man and the husband of Mary. Now we wonder why Jesus is in this stable. Well, this starts with a census from Caesar Augustus. He had a decree and he wanted a census. So he commanded all to go to their hometown and where Joseph lived in Bethlehem. So all the inns were full, and so they knocked into the 3 inns, but they all got rejected. So in the end, they found this manger. This symbolizes that Jesus was born poor. He had no place to live, but lived with the animals. Here it shows that Jesus was born poor, had heavenly treasures. Similarly, we should have heavenly treasures because the heavenly treasures outweighs those treasures of the earth, and it's a very key factor for us to meet Jesus. Here it starts with the shepherds who were the first to be informed. The angels told the shepherds that baby Jesus will be born, and they immediately came just to see Jesus. And their sheep shows the innocence and the trust they follow the shepherds with. And like the sheep, we too should follow Jesus. Here you can see 3 kings who came from far lands, and these 3 kings followed the star and came just to see baby Jesus. Now, the 3 kings brought 3 gifts which have a very deep meaning. The first king brought gold, which symbolizes Jesus as king because the crown is of gold. The second, he brought frankincense, which symbolizes Jesus as Son of God. And the last king who brought myrrh, which symbolizes Jesus' sacrifice for us, humanity, and for our sins and salvation. These 3 kings brought these 3 kings for Jesus. This entire scene here depicts all of creation, where the shepherds, the kings, and baby Jesus and all the animals just came to see him. Why? Because he is the Son of God. Now, this statue of baby Jesus should not only be in our cribs, but should be in our hearts. The Son of God should be alive in our hearts, and we should keep our hearts open to Him. We should welcome Him. We should pray daily, go to Mass, read the Bible, and there we welcome Jesus and we gather the heavenly treasures where we can meet Jesus eternally in heaven. And so this ends the story of the Nativity, where one simple story and this small manger depicts one of the greatest happenings in this world. Like how the sheep trust their Lord, their shepherds, we should trust Him. We should be the sheep and He is our shepherd. We follow His lead and welcome Him. With His warmth, our lives will be fulfilled. Thank you.